Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can share your Wi-Fi password without knowing the password on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. And from your home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on connections. And then in here, you want to go down and tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap on the settings icon right next to your Wi-Fi, and then tap on QR code at the bottom. In here, you can choose to save as an image, and then you can share it via Messenger, or you can perform a quick share or nearby share, or you can tap on the share button to choose which method you want to share. For example, you can attach an image to your text messages, and then in your text messages you can send to the other person, or you can perform a share using other messenger app. So in here I'm going to choose quick share just to make it easy. Quick share, and then I'm just going to tap on the device name, and on my other phone you can see it has an incoming image now, and with this image the other person can then scan the QR code to connect to the Wi-Fi network. So for example, I can swipe down and tap on the settings icon, then I tap on connections, tap on Wi-Fi, and now I want to tap on this QR code at the top, and then I'm going to select an image and then tap on done, and then they will be able to automatically connect to that Wi-Fi network without knowing the password. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.